In this video, we're gonna be doing a rap flow practice drill using the cadence from a 90s hit single called Ruff Ryders Anthem by DMX. And we're gonna push this cadence in a lot of different ways. And by pushing the cadence, I mean we're adding something to it. And I'm gonna be throwing you a couple of curveballs towards the end, so be sure to let me know how well you did in the comments section below. And if you're new here, my name is ColeMize, and I've been helping rappers perfect their rap skills on this channel for the past 10 years. And the instrumental that we're gonna be using today is a beat that I produced called Bounty Hunter, which I'll post a link to in the video description below. Now, each cadence that we do will be 2 bars in length, and we'll repeat each cadence once. And I'll go first, and you just follow my lead. So without further ado, let's get it. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop. Stop, drop, don't mean to brag, but this is hot. Stop, drop, don't mean to brag, but this is hot. Stop, drop, flip it, then re-up, then come to the shop. Stop, drop, flip it, then re-up, then come to the shop. Stop, drop, better leave it alone, you gon' rot. Stop, drop, better leave it alone, you gon' rot. Stop, think out the box, you gonna rob. Stop, think out the box, you gonna rob. Stop it, drop it, now fix your face and go rock it. Stop it, drop it, now fix your face and go rock it. Stop it, drop it, step up out the house like you know you gon' rock it. Stop it, drop it, step up out the house like you know you gon' rock it. Stop it, go ahead and drop it. I seen a mob of these cops in the mosh pit. Stop it, go ahead and drop it. I seen a mob of these cops in the mosh pit. Stop it, you better get off it. Get out of my face, out of my way, you better stop it. Stop it, you better get off it. Get out of my face, out of my way, you better stop it. Stop it, making me so nauseous. Take this deodorant and put it in your pocket. Stop it, making me so nauseous. Take this deodorant and put it in your pocket. All right, it got a little tricky there at the end, but let me know how you did in the comment section below. And before you leave, make sure that you get my free Rap Essentials bundle, which includes the #1 fundamental to rapping ebook, bar sheets to help you improve the structuring of your lyrics, 6 practice instrumentals, which includes dedicated video tutorials, the CMS catalog, which has my favorite studio gear recommendations, plus I'll be sharing via email the most essential video tutorials I've made that I recommend every aspiring rapper to watch. These lessons are going to teach you all the core techniques that you need to be a better rapper now. And all of this is 100% free when you join my mailing list via the link in the video description below. Again, my name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, and always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it.
and tell yourself today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.